Good morning. Let's have a quick unboxing of my new Cheaney here. I ordered it all the way from UK and it arrived after 2 weeks. So let's see it. I still don't have a knife, so I'm gonna use my keys. I think they're safer for opening boxes like this, as you will not damage what's inside. So there you are. We have here the details. There you go. And what did it say? Okay. 234 British pounds plus $50 for the shoe tree. Yep, I do like my shoe tree. And here is the box. There you go. Joseph Cheaney. And what I've ordered is a height 2. Look at that, how it's well packed. You have here the booklet. Built to last, Goodyear welted. Let's look at it. There you are, see? It has this soft absorbent so they don't rub against each other. And they're actually inside this nice little bags. So let's look at it. A big reveal. Oh, they look nice. Fabulous, look at that. Very good. See? You know it's well made. And it is a Goodyear welted, meaning when this was made, there's an overlap of the leather there and about about half an inch or 3/4 of an inch, and soon here. And this is not your traditional leather sole. It is made from Dianite. It lasts longer than the leather sole, and you can see that it is slip proof. Let's look at the other one too. Okay, there you are. And see, wow, very nice. See, you can feel the smell. The smell is really new, good leathery smell, and you could just see the quality of how they were stitched closely and in artisanal fashion. There you go. And to take care of your shoe, I always insisted on it's like a regular. You have to buy it with a shoe tree. So what's a shoe tree? Let's look at it. This another box I have here. What's a shoe tree? Oh, they sent me actually, this is a nice beechwood shoe tree. Look how finely smooth and chiseled they are. And you could actually see the ridges of the wood. Now this is important. Each time you use it, after using it, you've got to insert it inside so it absorbs all the moisture and keeps your shoes in shape. What do I mean by that? This is actually my second Cheaney. I mean my third one. This is the first one, see? It's been with me for 4 years now, and the only damage you can see there is that the garters are starting to get loose. And this is also from a rubber sole. This is storm welted. That means it can withstand water and not get your feet wet. There you go. So anyway, my next unboxing would be, because it will be this Trimley shoe tree for my shoe. But okay, we'll have another review once I've worn this and tell you how it feels. I'm just excited to have this. See, it looks really, really good. Thank you.